Hey guys, I want to show you how to use natural logs to solve a equation. So here we've got equation 5 to the power of x equals 525. Um, the best way of solving this in Excel, I think, is to write down the formula you need to get first in order to solve for x. So I'm going to break this problem down by applying natural logs to both sides of the equation, just so I can simplify the problem a bit and just so it's easier to calculate using Excel. So if we take the natural log of both sides, that would be x log 5 equals log 525, and then x will be equal to log 525 divided by log 5. Just make that easier to read. So now we basically want to compute this within Excel. So we can use a formula in Excel, ln, which returns a natural log for a number. So if we do ln 525 divided by ln 5, this should be our value for x. One way we can check this is if we go back to the original equation. So if we do 5 to the power of x equals 525. So if we try 5, and to do to the power of, we use the hat sign, which is generally shift and 6 on most keyboards. So if we do equals 5 to the power of this cell that we've calculated using a formula, so it's 5 to the power of C4, hit enter, and that equals 525. So we've double checked our formula is correct. So x to 2 decimal places would be 3.89. Thanks.